Imagine this. Let's say that you are in a hospital when the doctor said you only have 6 months left to live. That is the thought that I have after I watched the movie called Bucket List, and it really changed my perspective. In the past years kasi, I've been busy with academics and organization that most of my time is napupunta doon. There are moments na ang mga friends ko is nag-aalok na magala but my usual response is no. Kasi I think mas better na mag-aral ako sa bahay and tapusin ang mga paperworks instead na gumala. Yes, na-achieve ko yung goal ko because of it. But does it really made me happy? It made me happy for a short moment. But I can't help have this moment of, I wish I enjoyed a little bit more. Because the truth is, after you achieve that goal, there will be another goal. And another goal. Hindi yan matatapos. So I encourage you, once in a while, go out and spend time with your friends and family. Always do your best for your future self.